Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Keerthana K, currently working as research analyst in Fibocan LLP. So, as you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Vetri meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, SOFA, Sonifa and Baumets. They are very powerful strategies and very efficient which work on every market conditions. So, in every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known persons to subscribe. So, today is 15th March 2023, Wednesday. Today BankNifty closed at 39,051.50, 0.91% down, and Nifty closed at 16,972.2, 0.42% down. So, see the power of technical analysis. What did we say in our yesterday's video? We told that we are not going to give the support levels because the market is in a very downtrend, which is why we were not giving the supports very clearly yesterday itself. And what we said yesterday, we told it will open gap up, that is exactly above 200 DEMA it will open gap up, we told. What happened today? It exactly opened gap up above the 200 DEMA. And we told that there is a possibility of a formation of morning star, but we didn't say that a huge green candle is due for today. We were expecting a pattern of morning star, but why it wasn't happening is that the entire structure of the components in the market is very weak. The market is inherently weak, that there was not a single stock that is strong enough to support Nifty and Bank Nifty to go up. So, Bank Nifty had closed today slightly above 50-week moving average. It had actually opened high, that is above the previous day's high, but it closed below yesterday's low. Therefore, forming a bearish engulf and strong bearish bar reversal. Bank Nifty in specific formed strong bearish bar reversal and bearish engulf. Nifty today is slightly touching 100-week moving average. What is 100-week moving average? 2 years moving average. It's slightly touching now the 100-week moving average. So, like Bank Nifty, Nifty also opened gap up, but not as high as Bank Nifty. But both Bank Nifty and Nifty didn't make it up today. They were weak and they had fallen decisively below all key levels, 200 DEMA, and Nifty in particular is below all key levels, 200 DEMA, 50-week moving average, and both are slightly touching the daily lower band. So, when we see these things happening in the market, it is evident that the structure is inherently weak and we expect a strong reversal to strongly assure that Indian markets are back in track. Currently, Indian markets are being underperformed. So, let's get into the individual components. First, banking. AU, Axis, Yes Bank, Federal, HDFC, SBI down by 1%, IndusInd down by 2%. Kotak is up by 1% and others remain flat. In HDFC and HDFC Twins in particular, what it formed? It actually opened like Nifty, but it closed like Bank Nifty. And it's only thing that we can be happy is that Both HDFC and HDFC Twins are above 200-day moving average. And Axis Bank is above 200-day moving average. Other all banks are below 200-day moving average. And SBI is 15% down below 2022 close. So you can see how the bank components are inherently weak. Next, it's financials. In financials, HDFC, LIC, Housing Finance, Muthoot Fin, Shriram Fin, all down by 1%. Others remain flat. In Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, it is moving and slightly moving along the daily lower band, and Muthoot Fin in particular is below the 200-week moving average. As I told before, 200-week is 2 years moving average. So, the trend itself is in downtrend, it's weak. All the financials and bank stocks are in particular very weak. Then insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI General, ICICI Pru Life, SBI Life, all down by 1%. If you see all the bank, financials and insurance card stocks, all are near the lower band. There is no exception in these stocks. Everyone are near and hovering and embracing the daily lower band. So, only SBI cards is up by 1% in insurance and cards. In oil and telecom, both Bharati Airtel and Reliance is down by 2%. If you see Reliance, Bandhan, these stocks actually reached the new 52-week low. What is the 52-week? 1 year. 1 year low it had reached, Reliance and Bandhan. So, Reliance has the most weightage in Nifty, and that is why Nifty, BankNifty, everything's are low, because the components are not performing well. So, Nifty and BankNifty are bound to fall. In IT, Intellect, LTTS, Wipro, all down by 1%, Apple down by 2%, Coforge is up by 1%. Others remain flat, even Infi, LTM, HCL all remain flat. In consumer goods, Trent, Nestle, Hindustan Unilever, Britannia, ABFRL all down by 1%. Everyone would say that because inflation rate, cereals, milk, all rates are high, and due to that only these consumer goods are going down. Market doesn't work based on the fundamentals. It works based on the perceptions, which is based on the demand and supply, which is accurately captured by technical analysis. So, these consumer goods are technically weak, stocks are technically weak. Maybe this might have helped to reach this downtrend easily, otherwise fundamentals are not going to have its say. So, in PVR is up by 1%, Berger, Titan up by 2%, Asian Paints and Page up by 3%. Next is automobiles. In automobiles, Tata Motors, TVS, Escorts, Bajaj Auto down by 1% and Motherson down by 2%. Bharat Forge had an up move of 1% and others remain flat. In metals, today MJL is down by 1%, JSW, Hindalco, Jindal Steel, SAIL up by 1%, Tata Steel, National Aluminium up by 1%. You need to know this. In a single day, if there is an up move or down move, it doesn't mean that the trend has been reversed. It's now going to hit the rocket, hit the sky. That's not going to happen. We are cautioning from our previous videos, from previous month and from January itself, that metals are forming like rounding top in the monthly charts. So they are bound to fall, not if not in this month, at least in April month they are bound to fall. So it's up to the investors to be cautious and careful. So in health and pharma, Dr. Reddy, Apollo Hospitals, Cipla, Divi's Lab, Lalpath all up by 1%, Metropolis up by 3%. In others, Delta Corp, Godrej, Nykaa up by 1%, Eris up by 2%. In Delta Corp, Godrej, Nykaa down by 1%, Eris down by 2%. In up, LT, UPL, MCX, Havells, IndiaMart, Polycab up by 1%. IEX and Adani Ports, it's 4%. Adani Enterprise up by 6%. So Adani stocks, one day it will hit the upper circuit, one day it will hit the lower circuit. Today Adani Green had hit the upper circuit. So it's too volatile, it's too dangerous. So I would request for small investors to be cautious, to be prudent and wait for the right entry and exit time. So be careful with Adani group of stocks. So with all these going in the market, what is the level, what is the range we expect for option expiry tomorrow for Bank Nifty and Nifty? For Bank Nifty and Nifty, as we say, we are not going to give support for today, as like yesterday, Bank Nifty and Nifty had broken major support levels and nothing is going to hold. We need to wait and watch for what is market going to give us tomorrow. So in resistance, we are lowering the levels from what we gave yesterday. The 50 DEMA, we are lowering that for both. In Bank Nifty, daily middle band 4569, that is going to act as a strong resistance. For Nifty, it's 200 DEMA 17447. So that is going to act as a strong resistance. So this is what the levels we are giving today. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. Thank you.